You will love the features of this 2013 Ford Focus. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a sporty Ford Focus, the compact that's practical and fun to drive. Whether you choose the sedan or hatchback, you'll love the light, agile handling this sleek and efficient daily driver brings to every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat, traction control, temporary spare tire, variable speed intermittent wipers. Add zest to your commute in this sophisticated Focus. Our friendly professional team takes pride in giving outstanding customer service. Come in for a test drive. We'll take excellent care of you.